Hey there, in this video I'm going to talk about the BeautyRest E4 error and what you can do about it to fix it. So first thing first is that have you covered your blanket with another blanket that will cause it to flash an error message and shut off. So what you want to do is that you want to understand first the error. It indicates an electric connection problem between the control and the blanket. So turn it off and unplug. Immediately turn it off and unplug the blanket and wait for about 10 to 15 minutes. Now when you're going to wait for 10 to 15 minutes, you want to also check the wiring going into the out of the controller. If there is any damage, then you just want to use like electric tape and try to secure it and fix it. But truth to be told, and I'm going to be honest right now, I hope it's going to fix the issue for you. But in my opinion, what I perceive right now with the electronics in today's times, that these products are just not meant to last. I don't know where they are made, but it seems to me that literally after half a year, the blankets or just the products stop working. And it's just showcasing error only because those products are just for, again, to be repurchased. And we live in a completely consumption where in the past, we've built products to last. I'm from Slovakia, Central Europe, and we would be building products in Prague and also in our country that will last for 40-50 years. And that's like where we should have a pride that, okay, my product can last you 40-50 years. But of course, people are going to have less sales. You know, that's where the world we're living right now. Fascinating stuff, right? And you're going to get an error that if this kind of blanket would be created, let's say 30 years ago, it would last to like next 40 years. But right now, it's gone after 3 weeks. Crazy.